Alright, I got this crazy point of view method. We got Michael Stevens from Vsauce.
I bet you like that. I bet you eat rocks on purpose every day.
Little VR headset thing. Made from some cardboard, you know. The affordable VR. But what I'm going to do is put it on and not be able to see a damn thing. Then I got the phone, which I also can't see. But we're gonna put the phone on. Check this out. Like my background, by the way. This motherfucker's built like a bowl of milk. So what I'm gonna do is record it, and then put this on. And what we'll do is get this here. I'll then have to lean back, get these elastic bands off my wrist. Oh my god, the phone dropped. Fuck. Relax. VR. Oh fuck. The camera. Get an elastic. Get an elastic. And now what I kind of have, that's in front of the lens maybe, is a headset with the camera. So it's kind of point of view style. I think I just went a little askew. Oh, I think one of the elastics broke too. No, it just isn't around perfect. Oh, we're so high budget here. Do this. Decent. Then when I have my pew, point the pew forward, should be able to see what the hell's going on. Pretty fucking genius if you ask me.
Oh, God, it's so good.
That's crazy as fuck. It's such a weird fucking way to live.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
No. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Got his ass. out here with this dummy. Found a piece of ice, pretty thick, naturally. We're gonna go ahead and shoot it, take it out.
Here's your question. Spell red.
Red, L-S-T-E-R.
All right. Is that your final answer?
My final answer.
All right. I think that's close enough, but
No.
all right. Okay. The judges are saying that's not exactly right. I'm going to go to Gary. Spell red.
R-E-D.
That is one right.
That is correct.
He got it
Gary
right.
has one.
This could be
I
a
think you
run.
gotta go back.